Hello and welcome to the final video presentation for MedECC, a project intended to increase efficiency in hospitals and protect physicians and doctors. So the first part of the application is our mobile communication and monitoring application. So for this application, the user would open their phone and log into the network. When the caregiver logs in, they'll be greeted with a list of all the patients they're taking care of. If their screen is blank, then they'll be able to add a patient like I'm doing right now on the screen. So when a caregiver clicks on their patient, they'll be able to view the patient chat logs as well as their video stream. So right now there's no video stream, but Shwet is able to send me messages from his phone. We can also tag individuals to send them a notification. So now on my home screen there's a video stream of us in our building, and the camera that we're using is just across the room. From the patient screen they can also access their team, and from this team they can either add other team members or leave their team. Okay, so this site is our user interface. This is going to be our mock mobile device. So first we're going to accept notifications, and then we're going to click here to connect to our ventilator. So once you click connect, it's going to ask for permission to use your microphone, and then once it has that permission, the ventilator is going to send it all the initialization data. And then as you can see, all these settings that were in the ventilator have appeared. Okay, so now that the ventilator is connected, it'll begin sending some data. There we go. So now it updated those display values and the charts will start. All of these controls can also be adjusted by the user, so they can adjust the pressure or any of these other parameters, and then they can apply these changes and it'll send that data to the ventilator. And so in addition to this, the app comes with the ability to set some alarms. So I can go to the alarms page and I can set all of these values here. And if one of these values were to be outside of these accepted range, such as I'm going to do now, you see I get this alarm icon and I get a push notification here. And then on this alarm icon, if I click on it, it'll tell me exactly what the issue was, so I can view that. This here is our touchscreen display, which has many of the same features as our user interface. It also will be mounted onto the ventilator itself for direct adjustment of the device.
The way our mock ventilator works is that we have an air compressor that goes to a pressure regulator, and the pressure regulator makes sure that your lungs don't explode, which goes to a valve connected to an artificial lung, which is connected to a pressure sensor, which is connected to an output valve. The way this works is we have a PID algorithm running on our computer that runs and controls the pressure of our glove. So the way it works is as you inhale, 2-second inhalation, 2-second exhalation, the pressure stays constant within the glove. Inhalation, exhalation. And that's about it.
This has been the MedECC team signing out, and remember, save time, save lives.